The Amtrak Guest Rewards Preferred MasterCard is built for people who ride Amtrak a lot and want every trip to feel a bit more premium. It comes with a $99 annual fee and a high variable APR, around 27.24 to 27.24% for purchases. That APR puts it firmly in the never carry a balance category. This is a card for travelers who pay in full and squeeze value out of perks, not for financing trips. The core appeal is less about raw points on everyday spending and more about the annual Amtrak perks it hands out. Cardholders get a round-trip companion coupon, a one-class upgrade certificate, and a station lounge pass each year. Used on the right trip, that companion coupon can function like a buy one, get one on an eligible fare and easily cover the $99 annual fee by itself. Add in the upgrade certificate, like moving from coach to business, and a lounge pass for a more comfortable wait at the station, and the total value can climb into the hundreds of dollars annually for regular riders. On the earning side, the card is strongest when all roads lead back to the train. It offers 3x points on Amtrak travel, including tickets and onboard purchases. That is the best earning rate available for dedicated Amtrak spending. Dining, travel, transit, and rideshare earn 2x points, which is solid for anyone who spends a lot on going out, commuting, or other transport. Everything else sits at 1x, which is nothing impressive compared to many general rewards cards that now offer 1.5x or 2x on all purchases. There's also a typical welcome offer of 40,000 bonus points after spending $2,000 in the first 3 billing cycles, which can jumpstart a big rail trip if used wisely. Beyond the headline perks, the ongoing rebates add quiet but meaningful value. The card gives a 20% statement credit rebate on all onboard food and beverage purchases, which effectively discounts every snack and drink bought during a trip. There is also a 5% point rebate when redeeming points for Amtrak travel, stretching rewards a bit further each time points are used. For frequent riders, those little kickbacks add up over a year and help soften the cost of regular train travel. A big differentiator is how it helps with Amtrak Elite status. Cardholders earn 1,000 tier qualifying points for every $5,000 spent on the card. TQPs are usually earned by actually riding Amtrak and are required to reach Select, Select Plus, and Select Executive status. Being able to earn them through card spending accelerates the journey to better program bonuses and priority services, which is especially appealing to people who want more upgrades, more points, and a smoother experience on every trip. There are some real downsides to weigh. The $99 annual fee is hard to justify if someone only takes a couple of cheap, short-distance rides a year or never manages to use the companion coupon or upgrade certificate. Those benefits also come with strings. Blackout dates and specific fare rules can make using them tricky during peak times, and that can be frustrating when trying to plan around holidays or popular routes. The fact that the card's everyday earnings outside Amtrak and travel are stuck at 1x means it is not a strong all-around card for non-travel spending. Point value is another subtle catch. The best use of Amtrak guest rewards points is almost always Amtrak travel, where redemptions can exceed 1 cent per point. Once points are pushed into gift cards or merchandise, the value often drops to around 0.83 cents per point. So anyone using this card should be comfortable committing those rewards back into train tickets and onboard extras instead of trying to treat it like a flexible cashback or general rewards card. Finally, the high APR is a serious risk. With purchase, APRs climbing into the upper 20% range, carrying a balance even for a short time, can quickly wipe out the value of any points, rebates, or companion savings. This card works only for people disciplined enough to pay it off in full every month. In summary, the Amtrak Guest Rewards Preferred MasterCard is a powerful tool for frequent or long-distance Amtrak travelers who can reliably use the round-trip companion coupon, upgrade certificate, lounge pass, and 3x points on Amtrak purchases. For that group, the $99 annual fee can be more than covered, and the experience of traveling by rail becomes more comfortable and rewarding. But for casual riders, commuters with cheap tickets, or anyone likely to carry a balance, the high annual fee, restricted perks, weaker everyday rewards, and very high APR introduce real risks that can easily outweigh the benefits.